Imagine waking up one day and realizing that gravity has vanished. The moment you step out of bed, you float into the ceiling. Without gravity, everything we know about our world changes dramatically. First, let's think about our bodies. Our muscles and bones are accustomed to the constant pull of gravity. Without it, they would weaken over time. Astronauts on the International Space Station experience this firsthand. They have to exercise for hours each day to maintain their strength. In a gravity-free world, we'd all need to adapt to a new way of moving, perhaps developing a more fluid, almost swimming-like motion to navigate our surroundings. Now, consider everyday activities. Eating would become a challenge. Food would drift away if not secured, and drinks? Forget about sipping from a cup. You'd need special containers to keep liquids from floating off. Imagine a spaghetti dinner where the noodles dance around the room, making mealtime a chaotic adventure. Transportation would also be transformed. Cars and buses would be obsolete. Instead, we might rely on jetpacks or magnetic fields to propel ourselves through the air. Cities would be designed vertically, with buildings stretching high into the sky, connected by floating walkways. And what about nature? Without gravity, trees wouldn't grow tall and strong. They'd be more like sprawling bushes, their roots unable to anchor them firmly to the ground. Rivers would become streams of floating water, creating a surreal landscape where everything is in constant motion. The atmosphere would change too. Without gravity, air would disperse into space, making it impossible for us to breathe. Our planet would become a barren wasteland, devoid of life as we know it. On a cosmic scale, the universe would be unrecognizable. Planets and stars would drift aimlessly, unable to hold their orbits. The delicate balance of celestial bodies would collapse, leading to chaos in the cosmos. In this gravity-less world, our understanding of physics would be turned upside down literally. The laws that govern our existence would need a complete rewrite. So, while the idea of floating freely sounds fun at first, the reality would be a complex web of challenges. The very fabric of life as we know it hinges on that invisible force pulling us down. Without gravity, we might find ourselves lost in a weightless void, longing for the ground beneath our feet.